Today I will show you how to use arrays in Java. If this is the first time you meet, my name is Felix and welcome to my channel, Felix the Dev. I'm a software developer, computer programming teacher, and coach. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and my passion is to help people like you learn how to code and computer science students completing their degrees. So if you would like videos like this one to help you in your journey, learning how to code, or as a computer science student completing your degree, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload. So as you're coming in to watch the video, let me know where you're watching this video from or what country. Drop your answer in the comment section of this video. So what are arrays? Arrays are objects, and they can be used to store a group of values that are the same type. Example, integers, doubles, and floats. So on this whiteboard right here is the concept of an array. This is how you would see it inside of your computer, or just a way that you can look at the concept so we can understand it. So basically an array, it's a box, to put it in simple terms, that has a set of compartments, and on each compartment you're going to have an element, and each element is going to be the same type. So on this one you're going to have integers, and you're going to have, on this example, we have an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the length of the array, or the size. So you can put 5 elements in the array. And as we see right here, these numbers right here, these are called the subscripts. So this number right here tells us the position of the array. So it's used as an index. So when we read this, we say the name of the array, which is going to be ages sub 0. And it's going to let us know the position 0, which is the first position, and the element in that position is going to be 12. And why 0 is the first position? Because in Java, the indexes, or the subscripts, go from 0 to the size -1. So if you have 5 elements, the subscripts are going to go from 0 to 4. And if you have 10 elements, they're going to go from 0 to 9. So if you have 20 elements, you're going to go from 0 to 19. So it's from 0 to size -1. That's how they work. So on the second position, or the subscript 1, you have 36. So it can be a little confusing, but as you practice, you'll get it. So the array, the subscripts, or the indexes, start at 0. So the first position is 0. That's how it works. And the size of the array is 5, like I said. And the name here of the array is ages, which is going to be a reference variable that's going to point to the address of where, or just reference the address of where the array is located. So let's go ahead. Don't worry about that. It does sound a little confusing. We're going to go ahead and translate this concept into Java code. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to declare the array reference variable. So let's do declaring an array reference variable. And this is going to be the variable that's going to point to the address, or the address where the array is going to be located. So we go ahead and say int ages, and we need to put a set of brackets next to the type and a semicolon. So what we just did is I created a reference variable that's going to point to the address of where the actual array is going to be located in memory. So now we need to create it. The array. So we do that by typing this line right here. It's going to say ages equals new int the brackets, and now we have to put the size. So it's going to be 5 using the example of the whiteboard. So this is basically going to be an array that's going to contain ages of certain people. So we just created the array, and we told Java that we want an array with 5 spaces. So we want the box with 5 spaces. So now we're going to go ahead and assign values to each position in the array. But just to let you know, Java, when you create an array right here, it initializes zeros in each position. So right now, the box has zeros on each position. So instead of the 12 and all the numbers that we had, at the moment, we have zeros. And to prove that, we can print them out. So we can do system.println, and let's just print the values. And we can say ages sub 0, and that's going to give us the number that's going to be, or the element that's going to be in the position 0, or the first position. So let's go ahead and we can do this with all of them. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can run this. So as you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 zeros. So right now, we have zeros in our box. So we need to go ahead and assign the actual values that we want, or the ages. So one by one. We're going to do this by typing ages equals, well, not ages equals, it's going to be ages sub 0 equals 12, and ages sub 1 is going to be equal to 36. And we can just copy and paste this. So that one more. So it's going to be position 1, 36, and we're good. And the sub 2, sorry, we have 48. And on sub 3, we have 24. And in ages sub 4, which is the 5th position, we have 60. And we can go ahead and print them again. And now we can see that we're going to have these values. So you just add a comment. Let's run this. Now you see that we have, after 0, we have 12, 36, 48, 24, and 60. So right now in the box, we have 12, 36, 48, 24, and 60. So that's a way that you could do that. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is that you can take an element inside the box or the array and change it for another one. So instead of a 12 on an ages sub 0, I want a 72. So let's do ages sub 0 equals 72. And now let's just print ages sub 0. Let's save this and run this. And as you see, after the 60, we have a 72 because we changed or assigned another value where the 12 was located. So instead of a 12 on ages sub 0, we have a 72. So you can do that in Java, just to let you know. And if you want to save time on typing all these lines of code to print the values of your array, you can do this by using a for loop. So we do for in I equals 0, I less than ages dot length, I plus plus, and like this. And ages dot length is going to return a integer, and it's going to let us know how many values we have in the array at the moment. So right now we have 5 because we told Java when we created it that we were going to have 5 slots. So that ages.length is a 5. So the for loop is going to iterate through the array that has 5 elements. So let's display a little message and do this element number. Let's do I. Let's do, instead of ages of 0, we do ages of I. Let's print this. There you have it. So as you see it, so let's do in position. In position number 0, which is number 1 actually, but that's the subscript. So it's 72, 36, and position number 2, which is subscript 1, and 48 on subscript 2, 24 on subscript 3, and 60 on subscript 4, or position 5. So that's a way that you can print them out instead of going one by one, just using a for loop. If you want to learn more about for loops, check out the video. I'm going to put the info cards right here where I talk about for loops specifically and explain how they work and how you use them in Java. So you can check that video out. And I have a question for you guys. How can we declare another array of size 10? So essentially, is just create another array like this, but instead of size 5, it's going to be size 10. And instead of integers, I want it to be doubles. So drop your answer in the comment section of this video. So I'm going to repeat it again. So how would you and create an array of size 10, and instead of integers, it's going to be doubles? So drop your answer in the comment section of this video. Let's see if you got it right. And just to let you know, we can do this all in one line. So you can do like this. And it declares and creates the array all in one line. Create an array. One line. Instead of doing it in 2 lines, you're doing the same thing in 1 line. So we can run this, and as you see, it still works. So how would you do the same thing but for an array of doubles that has 10 elements? So drop your answer in the comment section. So guys, if you like this video, click on that thumbs up button. Also share this video with a friend. Also share this playlist with a friend that is learning Java as a complete beginner. And click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. And I upload videos every week to help you learning how to code as a computer science student completing your degree. And if you would like to support the channel, check out the Ko-fi page. And thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And it's going to be right here on the screen so you can check that out if you're interested. And if you would like to purchase a book to use to learn Java, then check out the book recommendation section on the description of this video. You're going to find a selection of books I picked out. And these are affiliate links. You're going to see links there, and these are affiliate links that you can use to purchase these books, and they help support the channel at no extra cost to you, because I receive a commission with each purchase. So thank you for the support, because it helps the channel a lot, also me as well, so I can keep making these videos for you guys. So thank you guys for all the support. I appreciate it. I will see you on the next video. Have a great rest of your week. Take care.